Hi friend, this is Forrest McDowell with Cortesia Herbal Products. And I'm sitting here around Cortesia Sanctuary inhaling this beautiful fresh air. And I'm also reflective of the health journey I've had in my life, which has necessarily needed respiratory support. So I'd like to spend a few moments and talk to you about our respiratory support formula, number 7. Which Tricia created a number of years ago. Now, Tricia and I have been together for over 40 years, and part of our joy has been to get to know the intimacy of the herbs with health. And so we have practiced and played around with herbs for so many years. And she created this complex respiratory support formula with 8 different adaptogenic herbs. Now, adaptogenic means that it is very stimulating to the immune system, and this is what we want during these health challenging times. Herbs like Solomon's seal, pleurisy root, gravel root, Oregon grape, osha, mullein, all these herbs work synergistically together, and that's the key. When we understand the magic of plants and how they will work together with each other to support our own body's health, then we have a friend in our health protocol. Now, in my health story, I grew up in the 50s and 60s in very smoggy Los Angeles. And then I moved to Salt Lake City, and at that higher altitude, there's another form of air pollution. And after I got my doctorate degree there, I came to the University of Oregon here in the southern Willamette Valley. And that's a whole nother level of pollution. And having been here for 45 years, contracted pneumonia and Lyme disease back in 2011-12, you better believe that I am interested in my respiratory health. So, when you consider a tincture as part of your protocol, really what you're doing is helping the body activate its immune system. And that's what we need in these health challenging times. So please, practice reverence for your health and wear a mask. It's not for the rest of your life, but it is to show your compassion and concern for others and for your own health. So please, practice reverence for health and reverence for the health of others. May you be peaceful in your heart and mind during these challenging times, and blessings to you always.